Over the years, Kenya Medical Research Institute, KEMRI, has developed immense capacity in carrying out world-class research through the development of both infrastructure and human capacity that is vital to the country's achievement of targets in the Vision 2030.
We now have the human DNA identification service, but also we have products such as the disinfectant TBcide. We have the hand sanitizer that we are currently supplying to even health institutions. But also we have diagnostic kits that we have developed, as well as manufacturing the culture media.
In the recent past, the country has been forced to send DNA samples abroad for analysis, especially during major disasters. This service has served to strengthen the existing national capacity to conduct the human DNA identification tests that are normally necessary in forensic analysis, paternity and maternity testing. The paternity test results are available within 5 to 10 days. Both the DNA laboratory and the first ever regional medical culture media production line are housed at the KEMRI Production Department, KPD, which has attained a double quality management system ISO certification, an accreditation that allows it to offer high-class service and products locally and globally, including supplying to the World Health Organization, WHO.
Our turnaround time, because we are able to do the test here, is much faster. We're able to finish analysis in less than 5 days. Both the DNA laboratory and the first ever regional medical culture media production line are housed at the KEMRI Production Department, KPD, which has attained a double quality management system ISO certification, an accreditation that allows it to offer high-class service and products locally and globally, including supplying to the World Health Organization, WHO.
And because we are a research institute, all our products are researched first before we bring them into the market. And during production, we make sure that we keep very strict quality controls.
We have KEMRI on board, which is producing the sanitizer. So we want to encourage local consumers to use local products that are being manufactured by KEMRI. KEMRI products are quite affordable, cheaper compared to the imports that are coming into the country.
Establishment of the culture media manufacturing facility at KEMRI, the only such facility in Eastern Central Africa, is the result of a collaborative effort between KEMRI, the Japan International Cooperative Agency JICA, and the Center for Diseases Control and Prevention CDC of the United States of America.
Going forward, Kenya is taking a stride in having this test not just done by us, but also in helping also other East African countries. We have a product that we have developed, which is the Immunoline Rift Valley Fever test.
As a reputable research institution, KEMRI also carries out research on the development of vaccines and primary health care programs to improve the lives of local communities. This includes the deworming of school children for intestinal worms and bilharzia. The latter is common in rice-growing areas of Mwea Tebere in the central parts of Kenya. Since the year 2013, over 6 million children have been dewormed. By last year, the prevalence of intestinal worm infection was down to 6%, while bilharzia went down to 5.8%.
The deworming program is a major achievement and actually supporting socio and economic pillar in the Vision 2030 in the economic blueprint of the government.
Yes, we were taught about drugs, which we can, or rather the ones which we are using now, and we were told how we will give the children.
There's no end in sight for KEMRI's activities in the field of research. With the current collaboration between the Institute and the development partners, the government will continue to provide more resources to help enhance research findings for the overall improvement of the lives of the Kenyan people and the region at large.